Hey, and welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to share a couple things with you guys since I've spoken last, and if the numbers trend, one person is going to watch this video. So this is the third video that I've made so far, and the first video 3 people watched, the second video 2 people watched. So if trends continue, one person's going to watch this video. But you know what? I'm okay with that. I really am. I'm totally fine because I'm doing it. I'm making videos and I'm learning. And I have learned so much in the last couple days. It's incredible. So I wanted to show you guys a couple things on here. So this is my channel. It says right there my name. That's me face. 2 videos. So here's my 2 videos so far. So this is my first video. 3 views uploaded 2 days ago. My second video, 2 views 1 day ago. Today is going to be the 3rd day in a row that I'm posting. I don't know if that's a great idea, but I want to get as many videos up as possible for the first couple weeks so that I have something for people to come in and check out. So the fact that I have a total of 5 views doesn't hurt my feelings. It's been 2 days. Do I know what I'm doing? No. In fact, just today I learned how to make these thumbnails. Didn't have them before. It was just basic, whatever YouTube kind of grabbed for me and put up there. But I've learned how to do something. And that's huge. I've learned a few other things. The first thing that I want to show you guys is this vlogging kit. This is the kit that I bought from Amazon. You see it $46. I paid $60 for it. So you can actually get it cheaper. But it comes with this stand that you can use as either a selfie stick, or you can open the legs up and it'll give you the this awesome stand, which is actually really tall, as tall as you could possibly need, and it's extendable, so it can be short, it can be tall. Pretty awesome. Comes with these 2 lights on here. It comes with 2 microphones, so you can do interviews or you can chat it up with somebody else, and this little Bluetooth dealie that plugs in your phone. Pretty incredible. Awesome. Got it within a day. And again, I paid $60. It's now on sale for $46. I'm going to put a link in the description for this. Highly recommend it if you're serious about doing this, and if you're going to do it, do it. So this is an awesome tool that'll help you with. Another thing that actually, this is how I made the thumbnails and something to help me out. This is vidIQ. So I'm paying a couple dollars for this. And I only just started playing around with it. I've only scratched the surface, but it connects to your YouTube channel, and it'll tell you right here how good you're doing and how you can improve. So we're looking at this video here. So my first one, making YouTube videos, it tells me I have a score of 56, middle of the road. Nothing great about it. And then it suggests other titles. First one, making YouTube videos, is a little better. How YouTube Made Me a Millionaire, that's a lot better, but since I'm not a millionaire, I'm not going to use that one. And then this one, I don't even know what the F1 championship is, but I mean, that would get me great engagement, but I'm not going to start lying. So I'm going to kind of go with that, and it'll kind of review with you exactly what's going on and how you can improve. It tells you what you're doing great, tells you what you're doing good. You can expand this, it'll break everything down for you. Very simple to use, very easy. This one is user friendly. I enjoyed it quite a lot. I went from knowing absolutely nothing about it to making some thumbnails. So I can go to my optimize button here, which is where we're at right now, click on either one of my videos, and it'll break down for me. This is what you're doing good, this is what you're not doing so good. Gives you suggested titles, like I said, tells you how the title will fare better, how YouTube went from 0 to billions as a documentary. Well, I'm not making a documentary about that, but if I wanted to look at these and go, oh, this looks like a really good title, this gives me a great idea for my next video, which is pretty awesome. $100,000 is not enough to start a YouTube channel. That's certainly a lie. I started a YouTube channel for basically free, except the $60 I spent on the Amazon vlogging kit. But again, it tells you what's good, and you can expand it and see what's good about it. And if you're not happy with the title, you can always rethink it or use one of the other ones that it suggests. You can refine it, you can make it shorter, longer, add excitement. Let's add some excitement to our refined titles. From Zero to YouTube Hero. Ooh, I kind of like that one. That's a 92. That's pretty awesome. Transforming from Zero on YouTube. That's kind of what I'm doing. I'm not going to get in and changing any of my titles, but these are always potential titles for other videos that I make, and it shows you what my engagement would be a little bit better if I went with one of those. You can do research, so this Outliers will give you a bunch of other pages that you can take a look at and see what they're doing. Always a super, super important idea. See what some of these people are doing that are doing so much better than you. You know, she has 4.3 thousand subscribers, 20,000 views on this. That was a year ago. 2 months ago. So 10 days ago, they put this out, 156,000 views. That's a hell of a lot more than I've gotten. But you can research keywords, CapCut video editing. CapCut is actually the video editing software that I'm currently learning. I have that over here. Here's CapCut. So if I open it, I'll give you a quick view on this. I'm not going to show you anything because I don't know how to show you things yet. I really don't know what I'm doing on this yet. But this screen will play. You can take a video, put a video there. You can take another video, put it there. And then you can work at splicing them all together. Take from here, put over there. You can cut it, you can splice it, you can do whatever you want with it. This is just me playing with it. I don't know enough to go into any kind of detail about anything, so I'm not going to. But this is CapCut. It is one of the more popular video editing softwares. It is a phenomenal tool once you know how to use it, and there are videos on how to use it. I haven't gotten to watch any of them yet, but again, just still playing around with stuff, learning, and that's really what this is. This entire YouTube channel may be something that I scrap later on once I get a much better feel for what I'm doing, and then start it all over again with the expertise that I have learned. See, if I knew video editing, I'd be able to take out that expertise, but instead it's just going to stay in. So yeah, that's pretty much where I'm at right now. Still learning, still figuring things out. My actual idea for my third video was going to be how to upload a YouTube video, because that is something I actually know how to do, and I've learned how to optimize the page according to what all the other experts have suggested. Can't say that it has necessarily helped as of yet, but it definitely can have hurt. But I didn't have a video to show you how to upload, so I'm making this video, and I'm going to upload this video in my next video, so videos 3 and 4 are already taken care of. The ideas are just flowing like water. So that's what I got for you today. I'm trying to keep these as short as possible because, again, I don't know what I'm talking about. So I just want you to know that there's people out there doing this that don't necessarily know what they're doing, but learning. And going from I did not know how to post a YouTube video to knowing how to post a video to I didn't even know how to make a video. I didn't have the equipment to make the video. So I spent $60, got some equipment. I made a video. I learned how to upload it. I learned how to optimize my page. I learned how to make the thumbnails. Now I'm learning how to edit some of them. I'm learning how to do, I had no idea how to do what I'm doing right now by having shown you my screen and explaining stuff. So this is a pretty big deal for me too. So lots of learning going on, and every video is getting better. So it won't be long before I hit double digits on the view counter. That's my next goal. So far I have 5 views total. Next stop, 10 total. And then after 10 total is going to be 10 on one video. And then from there, we're just going to keep growing. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Check me out. Write me a comment. I want somebody at least mention that, hey, I watched your video. That'd be pretty awesome. It would make me feel good. But it'll happen one day. So until then, get creative, do something good, catch your first fish.